How to create a download button in Google Sites. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a download button in Google Sites. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is just make sure that you open up your Google Sites and the project. Then here you can scroll down on the right side, on the right sidebar, you'll find this insert option and there you'll find button. Tap on button. And now what you need to do is simply type in download to name the download button. And now on the link side, all you need to do is type in the link for whatever you want that download button to do. So what we'll do here is we'll open up our drive, go to drive.google.com. And after you're on your drive, you can then create a folder if you want. Let's create a new folder. I'll just name it download. And after I name the folder download, I'm just gonna go inside this folder, and here I will insert a PDF, which I want the download button to download after I simply click. So I'll just pull this here, paste it here, and it's uploading. Now, after this uploads, you'll need to tap on the three dots, then tap on share, then tap on share again. Doing that, you'll need to change this to restricted for only people with access can open the file. Then tap on copy link. Doing that, you can come back here. And now before you simply paste the link, you will need to simply manipulate the link a bit. So here you will see this option, this link right here. We will need to add some stuff to this link. So this is the link that I just copied. And now what you'll need to do right here is on this link, you'll need to paste this ID. This is the ID right here. Simply copy this and paste it right here. After you do that, you can then copy this link, come back here and paste it. I'll be sure to add this initial part of the link on the description down below and then tap on insert. After you tap on insert, the download button should be added. And whenever you press the download button, it will download this PDF right here. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.